Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Tonight we're making Alaskan sockeye salmon tacos, and we got lean ground beef on the side for more tacos. Let's go. All right, let's get the salmon prepped. So we got the olive oil right here. We're gonna grease up the pan. Bada. Get a paper towel. Now we're gonna pat the salmon dry. All right, let's douse this up with some pink Himalayan salt. You already know. Let's go. Now we got the black peppercorn. Next we got the garlic powder. Next we got this seasoning, the garlicky spicy. Boom, easy, let's go. All right, so I like to add a little butter on top. Boom, done, let's go. Now we're gonna pop this in the oven for about 15 minutes, okay? Since my avocados aren't ripe, I'm just gonna use the store-bought guacamole that I got at Trader Joe's. Talk about fast food right here. Look at that, easy made. We can add the onions, add a little bit of salt, a little bit of garlic powder, black peppercorn. Let's load up the second one. All right, so we're gonna take out the salmon and let's see how it looks. Woo-wee! Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about right here. All right, now that we got everything laid out for us, we can start eating. Let's go, baby. All right, so let's do our first taco. I think I want salmon. Feast your eyes, look at that. Mmm.